Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I am featuring the Flowering Cactus product medley again. I had so much fun creating this card. I really want you to know that there are a ton of different things that you could do with this product medley. I have incorporated a curvy die with this card design that I will be creating today. And we're going to use the dies and that paper right on the lower right hand side that comes with the kit, the 6x6 designer series paper, so you don't have, it's very little stamping. So speaking of stamping, I have already sort of pre-cut the curvy dies here, and what I'm doing is this stamp set is photopolymer, so I am able to curve it around that hump, I guess, the hill of the curvy die. So this sentiment says, life can get kind of prickly. And I stamped that in Highland Heather. And then here I'm doing it again. I just sort of mount it on my block and then I turn it to see, and this is going in for the dip. And I sort of just adjust, keep on going, adjust. And then when I have it where I like it, I will stamp. And this sentiment says, I'll always be here for you. The sentiments in this product medley, or the Flowering Cactus stamp set, they're gorgeous. So I have that sheet there and I'm cutting out the pieces that I want. It is a big kind of a cactus and the bulbous kind of a cactus and then some flowers. And I have my mini cut and emboss machine here. I have an uneven surface, so sometimes I really need to hang on to the machine because that cutting mat of mine is about, a millimeter above my desk. Anyway, so I adhered the large cactus kind of where the hump is of the curvy die paper. Oh, and that's just thick, basic white cardstock. So the next cactus goes on and it's the bulbous one. I don't know what their names are, guys, so sorry. I'm just going to describe them like I've had. And then I just adhered the flowers there. I don't know where flowers go on cactuses, so I'm assuming kind of there. So I just adhered that with dry adhesive. And then these are those felt flowers, and I felt like I was going to need a couple of those for embellishments. And I just attached them. They attach really well with glue dots, so no special tools needed. See, I don't know if cactuses grow on the bulbous thing or on their little heads. I don't know. So I generously covered the back of that curvy die piece with Stampin' Dimensionals, and then I'm adhering it to my card and closing and using a bone folder. And then there's a linen thread that's in the product medley, and what I am doing here is just tying a cute little bow. I love little bows. Big bows are not my thing. I also don't like them when they kind of are twisted funny. I want them to look like bows. And if I can't do it correctly, then I don't want to do it. So that's my little bow. I'm adhering it with a mini glue dot. And then you probably think this is the end of the card, but not quite. What's my favorite stuff? Wink. Wink of Stella. I had to wink the flowers and that whole bulbous cactus. And now my card is done. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.